You are ready to receive 1 lakh with ease and joy. You attract wealth because your energy is magnetic. You take inspired actions that call in financial miracles. You are allowed to receive more than you expected. You are aligned with rapid and joyful income. You create money with purpose and passion. You are deeply supported by the universe's abundance. You deserve every rupee of success headed your way. You are already vibrating at the frequency of 1 lakh. You open doors where others see walls. You are your most valuable investment. You call in high-paying clients, customers, and blessings. You are a magnet for aligned opportunities. You don't chase, you attract through energy and clarity. You embody wealth, wisdom, and unstoppable drive. You manifest money through joy, flow, and creativity. You are worthy of vast and graceful financial expansion. You are the reason abundance blooms today. You know that 1 lakh is already yours. You are walking proof of that. You are ready to receive 1 lakh. You attract wealth because your energy is magnetic. You take inspired actions that call in financial miracles. You are allowed to receive more than you expected. You are aligned with rapid and joyful income. You create money with purpose and passion. You are deeply supported by the universe's abundance. You deserve every rupee of success headed your way. You are already vibrating at the frequency of 1 lakh. You open doors where others see walls. You are your most valuable investment. You call in high-paying clients, customers, and blessings. You are a magnet for aligned opportunities. You don't chase, you attract through energy and clarity. You embody wealth, wisdom, and unstoppable drive. You manifest money through joy, flow, and creativity. You are worthy of vast and graceful financial expansion. You are the reason abundance blooms today. You know that 1 lakh is already yours. You are walking proof of effort. You are ready to receive 1 lakh. You attract wealth because your energy is magnetic. You take inspired actions that call in financial miracles. You are allowed to receive more than you expected. You are aligned with rapid and joyful income. You create money with purpose and passion. You are deeply supported by the universe's abundance. You deserve every rupee of success headed your way. You are already vibrating at the frequency of 1 lakh. You open doors where others see walls. You are your most valuable investment. You call in high-paying clients, customers, and blessings. You are a magnet for aligned opportunities. You don't chase, you attract through energy and clarity. You embody wealth, wisdom, and unstoppable drive. You manifest money through joy, flow, and creativity. You are worthy of vast and graceful financial expansion. You are the reason abundance blooms today. You know that 1 lakh is already yours. You are walking proof of effort. You are ready to receive 1 lakh. You attract wealth because your energy is magnetic. You take inspired actions that call in financial miracles. You are allowed to receive more than you expected. You are aligned with rapid and joyful income. You create money with purpose and passion. You are deeply supported by the universe's abundance. You deserve every rupee of success headed your way. You are already vibrating at the frequency of 1 lakh. You open doors where others see walls. You are your most valuable investment. You call in high-paying clients, customers, and blessings. You are a magnet for aligned opportunities. You don't chase, you attract through energy and clarity. You embody wealth, wisdom, and unstoppable drive. You manifest money through joy, flow, and creativity. You are worthy of vast and graceful financial expansion. You are the reason abundance blooms today. You know that 1 lakh is already yours. You are walking proof of effort. You are ready to receive 1 lakh with ease and joy. You attract wealth because your energy is magnetic. You take inspired actions that call in financial miracles. You are allowed to receive more than you expected. You are aligned with rapid and joyful income. You create money through purpose and passion. You are deeply supported by the